Tomorrow, when your children look out their windows, what will they see? A world filled with beauty? A feast for the senses? Treated with respect? Will they do business with companies focused on the long term, who place the importance of the earth and her resources above all else? That's the road we're on. Care to join us? In the beginning, it was a simple idea: to lease and operate a sawmill. It started small, with a father and son partnership, a diesel-powered mill, and a knack for working with wood. The idea grew, and grew, into over 2 million acres of forest land in the United States. Deep inside this carefully managed land, another idea was born. We started building beautiful ways to embrace what's outside from the comfort inside. What's the most responsible way to do this? With careful use of the precious resources you need to make it happen, and a family of committed, talented people. You make use of everything. The bark and sawdust that's left over, you use it to create energy for the communities you live in. Then you replant, to bring back more trees, to keep the forest thriving. After all this, you learn something. When you focus on doing good work, good things happen. When you're more interested in getting it right than in getting attention, recognition comes. When you treat each other with respect, doing something you love, you build something that endures. When you set your sights on the long term, you make decisions that protect the most valuable things on earth. Our mission? To do it right, to never compromise, to make the best windows and doors you can buy in the most sustainable way possible, from seed to delivered product. So when you look through the glass of one of our windows or doors, you'll like what you see today and look forward to what you'll see tomorrow. Sierra Pacific, windows that never compromise.